Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to learn how to transform text into transparent PNG on pngmaker.io, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know, so let's climb straight in. So to begin, you're going to jump into pngmaker.io. You'll see over here there's not much but the community's PNGs, and you can go ahead and click on create your PNG for free. Now on the left hand side, you're going to enter your prompt, and this is the prompt that I've entered. So the main part of this prompt over here is the high resolution. So you can say high resolution, high quality, just to make sure that it's a high quality or high resolution image. So I've got a cartoon styled image of a man eating pizza. Of course, you can add in whatever it is that you want. You can also add an optional negative prompt, but again, if you're not too familiar with the negative prompts, then just leave it out. You'll probably do better. You can now choose your aspect ratio. I'm going to go ahead and say 4:3, and the number of images you can choose between 1 and 4. If you're on the paid plan, you can use 4. Now, just one more thing that you need to know is that all of your images that you generate stay here for 7 days, and thereafter they are removed from your account. Let's go ahead and generate this image. Alright, we've got our images generated here. I've got my 2 images, and already I'm saying that they look pretty cool. It does look like a cartoon style. That's pretty sick. Let's have a look at the next one. That's a little less cartoonish, but still, nonetheless, it looks good. Now you can see these images over here. Once you select them, you can go ahead. If you click on this icon over here, it is copied. You can now use it in whatever way that you'd like to use it. Once you go down over here, you'll see your images in this section, okay? And here you can click on it and you can see your prompt, and then you can download it to your device. One bonus tip I want to just give you quickly is if you go back to the home page, to where all the community generated PNGs are, you can go and click on any one of them, just like this funny guy over here, and you can even copy the prompt, you can copy the URL, you can open it in the editor, or you can actually download it from here. It's available for you to download, so that's actually quite awesome as well.